Yeah. You can try to break a man down, but truth, it always rises. And legends never die. They tried to write my story in the dark, took the pen from my hand, tore the pages apart, but my voice still echoes through the pain. Like thunder in the storm, I remain. I've been bruised, I've been blind, still I climb every time. Can't erase what's divine, cause what's real gon' survive. Legends never die, no matter what they say. They live in the fire, they rise from the flames, through the heartache, through the lies. We still touch the sky. They try to change the truth, but legends never die. Ooh. Every scar is a line in my song. Each tear I've cried just made me strong. They can whisper, they can doubt, but I was born to sing it loud. I've been judged, I've been tried, still I stand arms open wide. You can't bury light when it's built to shine. Legends never die, no matter what they do. We keep rising up, yeah, we break on through. From the shadows to the sky, we still testify. You can take the stage, but legends never die. Never die. We were made for more. You can close the door, but we break the floor. With a voice that won't be denied, we're still electrified in the hearts of the broken. Legends never die. No, no, no. Oh, you can't silence the sky. Legends never die.
The first rule of success is to have a vision. You see, if you don't have a vision of where you go, and if you don't have a goal where you go, you drift around and you never end up anywhere. It's like you can have the best ship in the world, you can have the best airplane in the world. If the pilot or the captain doesn't know where to go, it would just drift around. It would not end up anywhere, or most likely in the wrong place. So I was very fortunate that I stumbled onto my vision. I couldn't see myself becoming a farmer or a worker in a factory or anything like that, even though my parents wanted me to stay there and have a normal life. But that was their vision, not mine. My vision was totally different. I felt that I was born for something special, for something unique, for something big.